Okay, let's solve this example problem. Okay, so first thing we have to do is we have to sketch it out as to what is happening. So we have an elevator, and it's being pulled up by some motor, okay? And it is moving up with a constant speed of 3 meters per second. So we know velocity is going to be 3 meters per second, and it's going to be constant, doesn't change. Okay, so this also says your acceleration is 0, and the mass is 500 kilograms, and we would like to find out these three things. Okay, so now we have our sketch, and while we are here, might as well just give some coordinate system and positive y direction, and we can call the initial position where the elevator was, we can call that to be y equal to 0 point. Okay, it went up to 50 meters, so y final is going to be 50 meters, somewhere up here. So that's y final. Alright, so we would like to find out the net work done on the elevator. Okay, so question number 1, how would you find the net work done on the elevator? Okay, so if you think about it, work done by net work done on the object implies the work done by net force. So what is then your net force here? Net force is given as by your Newton's second law, the usual. So F net gonna be ma net, and guess what? Our acceleration is 0, so means net force is 0. If net force is 0, then W net is gonna be also 0 joules. First part is as simple as this one. Okay. Secondly, the work done by the gravitational force. Okay, so work done by gravitational force, that's gonna be given by gravitational force times displacement times the angle between the two, meaning gravitational force and displacement, the angle between the two. So now which way is gravitational force is going to point to? It's going to be pointing down, and there is pulling force acting on it. And which way is the object moving? The elevator? It's moving up. So now you look, what is the angle between gravitational force and the displacement? That is 180 degrees. So we're gonna have, instead of FG, we're gonna have NG times D times cosine of 180. And now we can just simply plug in, because we know everything now. Mass is 500 kilograms times 9.8 times 50 meters times -1. That equals to 245,000 joules. This is the work done by gravitational force. I forgot the negative sign over here. So this is the work done by gravitational force. Okay, so next question is the work done by a motor which is pulling up. The work done by this force. What is that force? How much of work is that force gonna do? Anyone? Think? 1, 2. Okay, so work done by that force is gonna be 245,000 joules. Why? Because there are no other forces only but these two, and these two forces combine to make your net force. Okay, and net work in this case, which found out to be 0, that means this number plus this number should give the network of 0. That's why pulling force is going to do positive 245,000 joules of work. Okay. All right, that's it.